Karpaga Vinayaga College of Engineering and Technology. Let me tell you the best thing of our college, Students Club. There are 13 clubs in our college. It helps to develop our knowledge and skill for the successful career. Hey Chitti! I'm very excited to introduce to all our creation, Chitti. As we all know that artificial intelligence and robotics is the growing field. In our college, artificial intelligence and robotics is the most important club. In this club, every students are encouraged to participate in hackathon. It is an interdisciplinary club. This club helps the students to gain basic knowledge in AI and robotics. Every students are encouraged to participate in national and international competitions. KV Riders. Traveling gives you the best feel that nothing else can feel. Do you want to feel it? No worries. KV Riders gives you wings to fly like a bird. No boundaries, no limits. Go Green Club. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. KVCT Go Green Club letting us to believe in tomorrow.